Right, this is the inside of the top of the Kenmore 1227. This machine has a missing gear, and well, there we go. I gotta get the gear out because the part isn't available for this cam gear, but you can 3D print them. So first, the screw for the zigzag top link, and it actually, I was trying to unscrew it, but it's on a pivot, and there's actually a pin hole in the side there for you to put a brace for tightening it. So when I put it back together, I'll be able to do that. But with this zigzag motion arm out of the way, there is a set screw here that I believe holds this. Gonna need something better than that. That is plenty loose now. So I think that means it'll. Well, there's a plug on the back of the machine there. There is a flathead screw in there. There we go. A slotted screw behind that plug. Okay. Got to set the zigzag width to maximum so that the arm. There we go. Oh, and that's oh, okay. So this is a cam. Sorry, forget the focus spot. This hex, or this slot that appears in the back, is the shaft is a cam for the gear mesh. So, all right. Well, got a 3D printed part to push on this body and glue into place, but first we're going to need to degrease it, so I'm going to pop these two screws out, get this collar off, degrease everything, and then affix my new gear. Once that's ready, we'll be back. Okay, new 3D printed gear press fit onto this shaft. The retainer collar is back on the end of the shaft. When I put that retainer collar on, I made sure that it would fit and turn nicely. Now, as far as timing this cam lobe goes, there's a pair of set screws on the drive gear, but I think I'm going to try and get it close if I can, so I don't have to try and break those loose and turn the thing. So figure this out. Okay, so I'm rotating it forward. We're at the top now, which means should try to make sure that the cam lobe is at the top or bottom of one of the travels. Well, that's interesting. This cam just popped out from between this travel fork, but now it doesn't want to go back in. There. Okay. Alright, now down. There's no travel. It's at the top. Oh, I do not have that timed correctly. Oh wait, I don't have my I don't have this in place, so I can't see what it's doing. Let's snug that up. All right. Oh, and the timing is almost exactly backwards. That's the spot where the needle is the lowest. Like I said, I'm trying to hand time this as I insert the cam because I don't want to have to break loose the main drive gear. So, all right. All right, let's see about that. Oh, beautiful. Okay. So, I'm going to check the gear mesh on this, which is going to involve using a flashlight and peering down in here while I turn the gear mesh here. You don't want to press that plastic gear down onto the drive as hard as you can, but you also want it to be secure. So if that mesh is loose, this is going to wobble a lot, and when it's set just right, it'll hold position without pushing too far onto the gear. So I just took it from unmeshed and turned it gently until the wobble came out of the mesh. Now remember, this screw is the link for the upper motion on the needle bar. So this bar, big bar here, is the upper and lower link that goes from the top of the machine to the bottom, and this black bar is what goes across the needle bar. And we took this screw out, and it's got the pinhole in the side of it for tightening it. So I'm going to put a needle in the machine, check the hook clearance on the needle, and slide the needle bar back and forth until it is correct. And I have this machine set on 0 stitch width while I do that.